Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Here after CPI release, we saw a little bit of volatility. That volatility played out exactly in this green support area that we talked about. So no change really to the previous video, but we can take a quick look at the lower level price structure. We continue to be in this third wave that I explained in detail in the previous video. Question here as well, similar to Bitcoin, is this wave 3 in green over or not? It could be finished here, or we could get one more wave up here in the white wave 5 to get basically an extension of the third wave. They are both possible, these scenarios, as long as we are holding the smaller green micro support box here at 1377. We've pulled back deep into support. We don't really see massively bullish signals. So my view at the moment would rather be that we're going to break it and come back into this wave 4 support. But again, that's only sort of what I see at the moment, because the price doesn't really move out, but this could change quickly if we break above this swing high. So a break above, in my opinion, a move above 1408 would indicate that we get this white wave 5 and then we have a larger wave 3, possibly sort of into the 1440 region. But the way this is coming down, because it looks quite impulsive, and also the move up isn't really impulsive. I mean, the move down came across as quite impulsive, and also the current recovery here looks rather corrective. I'd rather say there's a good chance we are on our way down here in the fourth wave, and if that's the case, it would be like that. And that's not a problem. It just means that we have one more wave 4 and 5 to go here, which was the expectation anyway. The question is only if it starts from here or if it starts from up there. Yeah, so one more 4 and 5 is expected, as long as we're holding the $1,300 level. That's sort of, I think, the summary. Obviously, as long as we're holding the 1377 level, it's also still possible to get here a direct breakout to the upside. But should we lose today's intraday low, which ended a little bit, the wick ended below the 1377 level. So if we drop below 1373, this was not a sustainable breakdown. Yeah, also this wick wasn't. Oh, the intraday low is actually a bit lower, 1365. That sometimes happens during CPI, you know, when you have a lot of volatility. Those moves down don't really mean that it was a substantial break of the support area. You always can get away with an intraday wick unless it really invalidates the pattern, which it didn't do, because it would only really invalidate it if the wave 4 breaks into the wave 1 price region. But by that time we've retraced too much anyway. It would be unlikely to be still a wave 4 then. So yeah, I mean, the way we're coming down here nevertheless, right, and the fact that we've broken out of it twice already indicates to me that we are probably already in the green count, in whatever shape or form. I mean, you could say this was maybe a wave 1 down, a leading diagonal, the wave 2 to the upside, then here's some kind of a wave 3. Let me just zoom in. Yeah, what this would have to be the 1, 2, very ugly pattern, to be honest. Obviously related to CPI, and I don't really want to get caught up here in the micro count. More important is to understand the key pivot point, decision points, and I hope I made them clear. So theoretically still higher in this wave, then down, but most likely down straight away and then up. So either way, again, for everybody who might be a bit confused, as long as we stay above 1300, the expectation is still either way, yeah, in either this or that scenario, for higher. If we break below 1300 and hold there, yeah, then we are probably, at least that's the first strong indication that we have a breakdown into the $1,000 region. I think that's best to summarize that. At the moment, no strong reversal signal. A temporary reversal into wave 4 is expected, and then turnaround here would be great for finishing this off in a wave 5, and then down from there. Unless we hold then wave 4 support, yeah, which would be the next higher level pattern, which could work out, and then make a wave 5, then we could have the bear market low already in. Yeah, at least that would be a good confirmation, but we're not there yet. I don't want to confuse anyone. I did explain that in the previous video. We currently just focus here on what we see on the chart at the moment. I just want to make you aware of the possibilities and where we are with regards to confirming that a bear market low is in, because there's still quite a bit of a way to go. We would need to move higher here in this third wave, come down in 4, move up in 5, make an ABC down in this wave 2, and then we can confirm the bear market low is in. But until then, it's still a lot of downside risk from here. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.